All right, let's start this little video off by saying my car was stolen probably the first Tuesday of July, which is, or the 7th of July actually, if I remember right. Some crackheads took it, messed up the interior. Looked like they were hitting it with a hammer or something on the side. Not a hammer, but they caused, can't really see, but a whole bunch of like little dents on it, right here. All those scuffs. That. And then on the front bumper, it did all that right there. This is my 92 hatch. This is how they left my inside. Took out my speakers, left that shit in here so they could listen to music. They had it, see? Had the wires running in here to this shit right here. To some house speakers. There's some crackhead ass shit. Some real crackhead stuff. Bags of chips. Some chili beans. And if anybody has a plug on these covers or a set, please let me know. They ripped off the grill off one, and I know some of you are just like, just put the grill back on, it'll be fine. I would put the grill back on, but I don't know what they did with it. So that's pretty much my lovely situation. Hold on, let me put my hood prop up. All right, I'm gonna take my car in the shop right now and clean it out. But yeah, if anybody has, oh yeah, keyed my ignition, so I can use any key to start it now. Yes, my car has AC. Fucking crackheads, dude. Anyways, if anybody has a plug on these, please let me know so I can fix mine. Thanks.